So we're at a pretty good spot on this piece of fire agate. I have trimmed it off of camera, and this video I'm basically going to be shaping up the stone using a cabbing machine. You don't have to use a cabbing machine, but it's definitely a lot easier to and quicker to shape a stone if you have a cabbing machine. Let's get into shaping this thing up real quick. Gonna give it the shape that it needs to be an actual gemstone, and part of the reason I'm doing that is so when I finish carving and polishing this, so that the edge of my tool is not running into the edges that aren't here, it's easier to work a smaller piece than it is a larger piece. Now, there are some things I'd like to address in this stone before I go carving anymore on it, and I will do that later, because right now I don't plan on carving it. I plan on cabbing and getting the shape of the finished gemstone out of it, which is going to be, you know, right at the edges of where the green banding is. I'm going to do that and not worry about the other stuff on top until I am at that point. So let's turn on the water. Also, I'm not going to be starting on the 80 grit, and I changed my wheels for anybody that didn't notice. I have an 80 grit, a 325, or 280, 80 grit, 280, and a 600 is right here, is what these are. And I made a spacer, which I think I should do a video about